DJI has been dominating the drone industry for a long time. And while we've heard of other companies like Typhoon or GoPro's attempt at drones, there really hasn't been anyone who's stepped up to the plate to compete with this giant in the drone industry. Today we will be looking at a drone that's from Amazon, much more affordable than most of DJI's products. But how does this stack up compared to the DJI Spark? As the Beetle SS41 ScharkSpark. Wonder where they got that name. Thanks to my lovely dad, James, and another awesome Christmas present. If you didn't check out the speaker video, you should now. We will be taking a look at this drone and see what it can do for an affordable price. The Beetle SS41 is a steal of a deal compared to the DJI Spark at about 1/5 the cost. Not even that. Probably 1/6 the cost. I don't know. It's unavailable right now on Amazon, but if it is available, you can find it in the link in the description. Before we go any further though, since you obviously like deals since you're looking at this video, one thing that you can do for free is subscribe to our channel by clicking that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to drop a like. Both free things that help us out for starving college students trying to make it on YouTube. Anyways, I digress. Let's take a look at what it has to offer. On the back of the box, there's a little flight school that we don't need because we're experienced drone pilots. 1 key takeoff, 1 key landing, headless mode. It's the headless horseman. 3D flip. Feel like it has to be said like that. And then speed switch, photo video, double camera switch, and altitude hold. Anything on this side? Just warnings that you shouldn't pay attention to. I have opened this up, I have flown it, I flew it during our 24-hour bathroom live stream to go and explore the real world while I was trapped in the can. If you missed out on that, you'll probably never see it again. Actually, you just might, so again, subscribe. I lied. The live stream, the whole experience, is on Twitter if you want to go check it out at 3411 Heaven Media. See you there. The box that is within the sleeve is plain. Take it. I'm gonna turn it towards you. Give you a little. There we go. Directions. Nope. Directions. Nope. These are very important though. Prop guards, your best friend when flying indoors. I actually own a DJI Phantom 3 as well, and I installed them on that. It has saved me a couple of times, but makes it nice because you can just kind of run your drone into anything and not have to worry about it. Pull out the large amount of plastic. We find a charging cable. I don't know what kind it is. It has a red LED in the charging cable that helps indicate whether your battery is charged or not. On average, the battery takes 150 minutes to charge and gives you 14 to 16 minutes of fly time, which is actually pretty good for a drone that is this small. The battery goes in the back, like so. Pretty small, not very heavy. The drone itself, I think, is like a third. I don't remember exactly. It's around 1/3 of a pound. Well, it doesn't matter how much the drone weighs because it flies. And that's all that matters when you have a drone. 2 cameras, one on the bottom, 720p, one on the front, 1080p. There is no internal memory on this drone. The way it records is by transmitting to your phone via Wi-Fi. It has its own Wi-Fi network that you connect to. You can view on your device and it records through there. So, with that said, the camera quality is decent, but don't expect to get cinema quality video or something that would be comparable to DJI in that regard. If you're looking for a drone that is fun to fly though, this is definitely it, especially indoors. The remote here is a straight knockoff of the DJI Mavic series where it's got the 2 antennas that come out, and then also the phone holder in the bottom. You can fly it without having it connected to your phone, so when I'm indoors and just wanting to mess around, this is great for it. But if I want to get a shot of something cool, especially in my school, still images are pretty decent on this, and some not a lot of movement video, I can record that with my device. On and off here, forward trim, reverse trim, right, left trim, and then the takeoff and landing. It's one touch takeoff and landing, so you click takeoff, it'll rise up And because of that bottom camera, the altitude hold will keep it relatively stable, and the trim you can use to adjust to prevent it from going side to side like so. Up top on your right and left bumpers, there's the speed control. 3 speeds on this drone, 1, 2, 3. High is pretty fast and can get a little wily and squirrely if you're in an enclosed space. The flip feature is my favorite because you can just click it, you give a direction command, and then it'll flip that way and end up right side up most of the time. I've only crashed it twice. That's because I was messing around, but it survived. Extra props, haven't had to use them. Screwdriver, these things come in handy for all sorts of things. And then, I don't know what these are for. And our friend, the silica gel packet. If you didn't see that video, go check it out here. 3 AA batteries do go into the controller, and it does require the screwdriver to take off the backplate. Besides that though, I like the unique design, I like the way it looks, it's fun to drive. Again, not necessarily great for filming and professional video work, but for someone who's a hobbyist just looking to get into the drone space at an affordable rate and not be afraid to crash something because you have these prop guards that go on like so. All they do is click in. Actually, it's the other way. Actually, it's the other way. Actually, I was right the other time.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Actually, this is for the other side. I don't know. What? Got it. Perfect. So these, again, you can just bump into anything. Well, this was all Jack's idea, and he requested that I fly this indoors, so yikes. Hopefully the studio's okay. Taking off here. Ooh. Dear Lord. Oh, she's out of battery. Yep, she's out of battery. Well, that's a neat feature, by the way. It does slowly land itself if it loses connection or runs out of battery. You saw it here first. Overall, great beginner drone. Check it out, link in the description. Check out our other videos, click the subscribe button, like it if you enjoyed the video, and go down and comment something. I want to talk to you. We want to talk to you. You can also talk to us by following us on Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. We'll see you in the next video. That's all I have for today, folks. Bird out.